I crying?
I hate you. Oh.
The guys are not even here.
I just saw him for 5 seconds. Literally crying.
We are actually pulling into the polo fields right now to unload our first truck.
Middle?
Oh, this is easy work. Alright, I'm not so stressed. So I gotta take this out. This car's gotta get staged on the tour. But so what we'll do is we'll back this out. I'll put that over here. Then I'll take the black car out and then we'll load the white car in his trailer, on his there. Awesome. We are now unloading the white Miura SV, which will be on the lawn at Sunday. We made it here. All right, we did it. Okay, I gotta keep rolling. So for those of you that don't know, I finished my degree in Kansas called a small school called McPherson College, which is the only school in the country where you can get a degree in automotive restoration. And through that program, the college was set out with restoring a Mercedes 300S that is going to be displayed on the lawn to compete to win at Pebble Beach. And this is actually one of my classmates, Jeremy Porter, who is going to be helping display the car to the judges, present them, as he worked on the project many years ago. Tell us a little bit about the project and what the Restoration College means to the classic car world.
The car as a project started 7 years ago. We've had around 60 students work on it, and 17,000 hours have gone into the car. The entire car has been done by students and restored by students, 19, 20, 20-year-olds. And we'll be competing against people who have been doing this for 40 years, so it means a lot to us and to show with the world that we can truly do. The car itself has 13,500 individual parts, and getting those all right has been quite a challenge, but we're excited to show the car this Sunday.
Cool. All right, man. Thank you. All right. Looking forward to seeing you Sunday.
Yeah.
How was the perf?
It's perfect. Yeah, it's perfect. No, these cars are so underrated. The updated motor on the 5.2 from the 5.0, it's just gated 6-speed manual, convertible, black, 1 of 3. Let's get this all tucked in and let's see what the day holds. Yo! All right, thank you for taking care of it. That's her. Okay. Sir, I met Spencer at the car college as well. So he was a graduate in 2020, and now he is the lead foreman, or the shop manager here at Revival Road in Monterey. So you get to... All right, ready? Yeah. I just wanted to let you know. All right, bye. I've got to run. I've got to go deliver this.
This has been 2 hours of waiting and calling people and moving cars. Now I know what it feels like to be Stephen for a day.
It is 3:20, and it has been a long day here at the Quail. This is probably one of the most exciting modern car events. You have manufacturers unveiling cars, just really, really special. In many ways, I've said this to a few people, this is like the modern day Geneva. Geneva was probably the most important automotive show in the world for unveiling new cars, and now the Quail every year just keeps, sort of manufacturers keep unveiling cars. For us this year, we didn't just bring 1 or 2 cars. The team went a little above and beyond. We brought 5 Lamborghinis that you're seeing here. Obviously the Gallardo Concept S, the famous Wolf of Wall Street Countach, the SE30, one of my favorites that we've ever owned, 1,200 original miles. You guys have seen this before, the one-of-one Diablo GT2 and the Diablo GT that we sold a few months ago. We have prepped this car really with the intention of showing and sharing with the world. The owner was super passionate about sharing Diablo GTs, so really an honor. We've done so much work on this car. The team did an incredible job. I didn't really think or have any expectations of winning anything here today. This is it's not a traditional judging. I think it was the Bugatti 110 that won for the supercar class, but this car now is ready to be shown. I look at these events as sort of the end of an era, and really is, you have all these new cars being introduced that are full electric or hybrid, and I see cars like the Gordon Murray car here, which is absolutely fantastic. The Singer car, absolutely fantastic. Koenigsegg's, the Jesko. I mean, these cars mark the end of this combustion engine, and it's really, really special to see these incredible variants. So very, very exciting. It's just surreal to be here. I mean, at the end of the day, we'd love to be winning awards. We'd love to be doing all these things. Yes, we have a chance to win Sunday at the Pebble Beach Concours, which is the main event this weekend. If you know anything about Monterey Car Week, you have a myriad of car shows, a myriad of auctions. Quail, I would say, is the biggest, and then the Pebble Beach Concours. Pebble Beach Concours is the traditional concours judging, and we're showing 2 cars, the white Miura SV and the white Monaco Countach. So a ton of really, really stressful content coming. The countdown begins for the big event.
Monaco's not going to come back here to load.
Yeah.
It's going to go there, so whatever tools or anything you have, I guess leave it in the truck.
Okay.
How was that, man?
You fucking did it!
Dude, we did it. How was that? Look at that, too.
Dude, I already started crying.
Oh, good.
When I saw the car on the truck and the
you?
Countach in front of the lights. Insane. Insane.
Yeah, that's good.
I wish that was.
You don't want to clean that?
No, I wish it was a little dirtier.
Yeah.
Right in here.
You'll sort of sand
It's easy, eh? Yeah.
Hang on.
Yeah. There we go.
Preservation!
Dude, this car cleaned up nice, too.
Yeah.
Drives real good.
Real good.
Nate and Pete, Pebble Beach.
This is amazing.
Guys.
Good to see you.
Thanks for having me.
Pretty nuts. Pretty nuts.
Crazy.
Look at the gloss and the gold wheels.
Bro, it's sick.
It's sick.
That's pretty good. Thank you.
Monaco.
How you feeling?
Good. Last minute details. Yeah, let's try to get a rag here. Good morning. How are you?
Good,
What's going on? Okay. One of 3 white over blue factory cars, complete matching numbers, and then just chased all the little details, the stamps on the glass. We found an original new old stock shift knob, original brand new speaker covers. So just tried to take it to a really, really, really high.
And will you sell it?
High level. I actually just sold it.
Okay, cool.
Literally just sold it.
Yeah, cool. So no pressure today then?
None.
Doesn't matter how it does.
None. You know what though? Honestly, this is my first time here showing something. So for me, it's
over
like.
there with all the Countaches before?
Yes, but
Yeah,
it
but
wasn't
like
my car.
Pebble,
It was
Pebble.
literally, yeah, like we didn't restore it.
You're next.
Yes. We are next. I am not supposed to be nervous. Let's see, whatever's meant to be is meant to be, and I think the car speaks for itself in so many ways, but again, there's some incredible cars here, incredible competition, so excited to honestly excited to just be here. But still very nervous. Very nice meeting you. Pleasure.
Could you please tell us something about the history of the car, please?
We purchased it in pieces. We purchased it disassembled. Everything was complete. All body stamp numbers, every louver number, the door handle numbers, everything was complete. Because it was such a unique factory specification, one of 3 cars that left the factory in white, Bianco, over Blu Pele. I felt we had to restore it. It was a must. And we worked with Cremonini, incredible team from Salvioli Top Motors, who did all the mechanical. And Turney did the interior. Gotti did the electrical. And our goal really was to then perfect all the details and make sure everything was as perfect as possible. So the car was originally delivered in Torino. And then early on in its life, it ended up in Germany. And then it ended up with another German collector who was the one who was planning to restore it. And then we actually purchased it from him in 2018. So since the restoration, we've driven it about, let's call it 250 kilometers. Runs incredible.
But you did not brought the car to the tour?
No, not on the tour today. Thursday. Yes.
Okay. Any specific reason?
Honestly, to be quite honest, I was very terrified of getting a stone chip or something happening before. This is my first time showing at Pebble Beach. I'm extremely just helping a friend, and I am extremely nervous about any little outside, anything that I can't control. So,
But there are no deductions. If you get a stone chip, it's not a problem.
Okay, well.
Right. At the right time.
Is that it? Do you want me to set it?
Be at least a 5-point deduction. You'll be dead. Because the time we set on Sant'Agata time. It's not Sant'Agata time, it's a 10-point deduction.
Cool. All right. You guys good?
Yes,
John,
we are
you
set.
good? Thank you for bringing it.
Man, thank you guys. Ready? I think I was more nervous about not knowing what to do, and they were incredibly, Winston Goodfellow and Massimo Delbo and John and Steve, they were incredibly sincere, wanting to help and guide, also playing a few jokes in the process, so definitely helped to relieve some stress. And there he is. Everything worked perfect. Every light switch, everything.
Nice.
Oh, next car. That is our contact at Top Motors. Let's set everything out behind the car.
Geez, how you doing? All done?
The judges were teasing me because I was so nervous.
Hello, sunshine. How you doing? Nice to see you.
This one's just gonna be fun. I love this car, so for me this is like, this car wears a piece of my heart. It's preservation, so much passion, so much love. Sean from our team got it running absolutely perfect. So, you know, the reality is, it doesn't get better. It really doesn't. So whatever's meant to be with this one, you know, is a reality. I have to admit, I am still anxious, but here we go. So for me, as a Countach nut, to find something that was this, you know, the owners of Lamborghini, it was purchased by him briefly after them purchasing the company.
Oh yeah! That's a 1980s Countach on the lawn at Pebble Beach. It's quite cool.
It's very cool, right?
Changing of the guard.
Yes. So that's a wrap.
Go, Doug.
Give me a hug.
Insane. We did it. We're done. The judge walked up to me, and I thought the judge was gonna tell me. So he fucked me all up because I wasn't anxious. I was really like just embracing, you know, everything and saying, "Wow, that's so cool. We're here. This is an honor itself." But then he walked up to me, and I was like, "No," because I know right now they're waiting on the notices. So now I just got anxious just because of that. Like my stomach is fucking here. No. Thank you. Thank you. No, don't say sorry. Thank you.
Beautiful car.
Thank you very much.
bringing it.
Of course. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Of course. Thank you.
You can breathe now.
I can breathe. Yes.
I have champagne anyways. I don't even drink, but for a white Miura, I'll have it.
The fact that we're here is all right.
Exactly. No, we didn't win.
No?
No.
Who won?
Don't know. It's okay. I cannot thank you enough. Thank you. You're a fucking MVP, you and Sean. Thank you. Seriously, you guys, it's not the cars, it's not anything else, it's you guys. Thank you. Seriously. Very, very proud of you. Love you guys, bro.
Let's go.
I love you. I'm super, no, I'm fine. I honestly now just want to shut off.